Hello, it's Tuesday, November the 6th, 2018, month of Chesapeake, 5779. Look at this splendid view down here, Airdrie Kingsway Dog Park. Look at the hundreds of Canada geese here. Hello, Keaton. Under my video campaign and advocacy campaign in the Airdrie East and Airdrie Cochrane ridings, I made it well known to the city breaking the law by allowing 20,000 dogs to hassle our federal birds under the Federal Migratory Bird Act, and also the Inland Navigatable Waters Act was illegal. The city didn't listen. I contacted many authorities, federal and provincial, and they completed the end of the summer this $90,000 fence project. Our dogs still need some restricted access to the water. Yes, Herdman, first fruits coming to bear with my nature campaign. Nature is pro enjoying the climate. We can adapt to climate change by adapting our land use and our nature policies in the city. Elect Herdman MLA, his first fruits in advocacy. I'll bring on your concerns at any level of government. Herdman, Rdouglasherdman@gmail.com, 587-800-8666. Our migratory birds no longer have to be hassled by, hi there fella, by 20,000 dogs. Amen.